In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your high and low beam bulb on a Chevy Malibu, which happens to be the same bulb. So we're going to disconnect our air port to the airbox. 8mm socket or a flathead screwdriver. Just loosen this band clamp. Just loosen it up enough so that you can take the airbox out of the way. We're just going to set it over here. So go ahead and grab that. Now pull up. There's like 3 rubber tabs. Just give it a firm pull up. Now we can set that aside just like that and out of the way. So the headlight bulb is located out here, closest to the fender well. It's got this big plastic cover on it. So to take this off, all you're going to do is turn it counterclockwise. So give it a good tug. You might need 2 hands. There we go. Pop that cover out, set it aside, and now you can see right in there, you see that bulb. I am going to disconnect the tab right there first, and I'm going to use a small screwdriver. I'm just going to take the tab and push down. Just like that. Now you can see that bulb has notches, so we're going to turn it counterclockwise to the left. So I'm just going to use a pair of pliers so you can see what I'm doing. Maybe if your hand's too big to fit in there, you can do the same thing. All right, once you've turned that, go ahead and pull it out. So just showing you the notches here on these bulbs. On this case, we have 2 larger ones and a smaller one. And then when you look inside at this headlamp assembly, you can see the large and the short cutouts. So you're going to line those right up, bring that bulb right in, line those up, just like that, and then turn it clockwise. I'm going to try to do that with the wrench so you can see again. And you'll feel it stop right in place. Then grab your wiring harness, line it right up. Push up. Make sure you put this cover on because it is a protector of any water or moisture getting in there. If you notice and look closely at this cover, you'll see all those little notches. They're the same size, but they have a lock tab to them. So you're going to line them up, feel it fall into place. Feel it line up. So you're going to turn it clockwise until it stops. So now we're going to take our airbox and place it back down. You can see the tabs right here. There's 3 of them total, 1 in the back there, 1 in the front. Just get your air vent hose kind of out of the way. Line these up. You can see kind of where they go. If not, you'll definitely feel it. And then I like to just push down just like that. Line your air dam hose that goes to the throttle body. In this case, it goes to the turbo. Right up. Take your 8mm or a flat head screwdriver. Make sure these tabs are lined up so that it doesn't go off that rubber. Looks good. Just snug it down. You want it tight because you do have a mass airflow sensor, so you don't want any air leak. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.